Could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, so I'm Thomas Bjelkeman-Pettersson. I'm a co-director at AKVO Foundation. And so just a little bit short about what AKVO is. So AKVO, we build internet and mobile phone services that we run. They're open source software that we run as a service, and we build specifically these tools for helping with international development, so that they're project visualization, public project visualization database tools, such as really simple reporting. We have AKVO Flow, which is mobile phone-based field survey tool, so you collect data in the field using mobile phones with photographs, GPS locations, and then survey. We also build some specific open data visualization tools for international development spending data. What we're trying to do with these, we're a non-profit foundation, so we're trying to run these and build and run these tools as cheaply as possible and get as many people access to them as possible, because we think that improved data collection, improved visualizations of the work that's being done, and open data around this can dramatically improve how the work actually is done. There's a lot of inefficiencies. There are many projects that don't work properly. Most people working in international development don't actually know what everybody else is doing. There's no good transparency, and by adding modern internet-based tools for this, we think we can make a big difference on the efficiency, the discovery of who's doing what works, what doesn't work, and produce essentially more effective projects. We're an organization which has both people from international development and IT, so internet specialists working very closely together as equal partners, putting together these types of systems so that we get the best from both worlds, and understanding how do we do this in a way that really takes the advantages that you can find in different areas and do the best of them. If you look at how the internet has changed several industries already, things like the travel industry, music industry, film distribution, books, etc. There are many different things that have changed dramatically because the internet allows us to distribute information in a completely different way than we did before. How you can keep in contact with your friends, colleagues with things like Facebook. This kind of big, profound effect with efficiencies and transparency and effectiveness we can apply to things like water and sanitation, healthcare, education as well, by building clever, smart tools in the right context. And that's what we're trying to do. We think we can have a big impact, and there needs to be a big impact, because there are literally billions of people who are still in poverty, and if we can make tools that make that transition go faster, then I think we win.
Thank you.
Was that useful?
Very useful and very nice.